What's up, everybody? So I thought this would be an interesting video to make because there's a bit of a surprise to me and it'll be a surprise to you guys. So we're all going to find out together. This is kind of just something that happens when you take care of properties, or you're a property manager or maintenance manager or whatever, or you own properties or you look after properties maybe for somebody else, which in my case is what's going on here. So I have a gentleman, a client of mine, who calls me for any service or emergency stuff. He's not quite well versed in that, and he's like, well, I could hire you to do it. And I go take a look. Now it's about 7:30 on a Friday night, so definitely after hours call. He called me. I missed it because my phone was pretty much like dead, 10%. So he called me and texted me when I did, and she's like, hey man, can you please call me? So and so says the address. So he says, blank has water in basement. And I have a missed call 11 minutes later from him. So that could be from an overflowing sink. That could be from really anything. But I missed 2 calls from him. Now, this could be interesting. I'm not sure what he's gonna say. I'm not sure if it's from the sump pump. I'm not sure if it's from the sink overflowing, which we had looked at a couple times because the sink's never overflowed, but it's filled up. So, but those problems got fixed. So you guys are gonna find out with me. I'm gonna call the gentleman back. Let's see what happens.
Hello.
Hey, what's going on? You're saying water is in the basement?
Yeah, I don't know what the heck is going on there, but they got some water in the basement.
From where?
I'm not too sure.
No idea, eh?
No.
Is
But
there?
I don't know, maybe they unplugged it or they switched the
Yeah, the
breaker or something
sump
like
pump
that.
there.
Yeah, something.
Okay. So you want me to go check it out and see how bad it is, or what?
If you could, if that's no problem with you.
I
Because you know the scene, what's going on, because I try to explain them over the phone, but I don't even know which one I'm talking about, so.
Yeah, I did tell them not to unplug the sump pump when I was there last. Not it was left in and they hadn't touched it, but I don't know if they had somebody else over. Who knows? Okay. Yeah, I got a bit of time shortly. I could go take a look. In terms of update for what's going on there, there's I just had to take out the motor for the fan and they got a part ordered. It's a bunch of nonsense. So I might just replace the range hood, but we'll see. We'll see what happens.
Okay.
So
All
yeah.
right, and I think there were a small couple of issues there. They were saying something like the windows throwing some cold air.
Yeah,
from
I
there.
have the pieces for those.
Okay.
Yeah, I just haven't put them in yet.
And I think I saw you did you put the shower head there, right? I believe so.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, I've done a
And
few things, but not the whole list.
no, okay, no problem. Whatever you did, that's okay. We can get
It was the emergency stuff I did. So
Yeah, that's perfect. I think they were saying the fridge is not working either. I don't know.
yeah, I've tried it on a couple different breakers. The fridge could just be dead. I'm not sure.
The fridge is dead.
Yeah.
Okay, I ordered one, but it's gonna be a little while. But that's
Yeah,
okay,
they can
no
wait.
problem.
Yeah, they could wait. Where'd you order from?
Leon's.
Oh, okay. I was gonna say at Notre Dame Boys they have used fridges.
Yeah. Oh, okay.
Yeah,
I
I
can,
could just grab it. Yeah, cancel the
the
order. Whatever.
ETA was covered 2 days ago, but now they pushed me back for the next week. So I don't know.
Ah.
I have to find out something.
Yeah, fair. Well, I mean, if you can cancel the order, check out Notre Dame Boys. They have small used fridges. They have a selection
Okay,
of used
I'll check it out
appliances.
tomorrow.
Yeah, it's half off what a regular thing would be, and it's been used or it got dented in transit, and then they can't sell it new, so they put it as used.
They put it as used. Yeah. Okay, no problem. I'll go there tomorrow. I'll check it out.
Right on. Yeah, keep me posted. I'll let you know. I'm gonna head out shortly. I'll go take a look, make sure if it's not that much water. If it's not that much water, I'll probably leave. If it is that much water, we'll figure it out when we get there.
Okay, man. Thank you.
All right, thank you. I'll talk to you soon. All right, bye.
Okay, bye.
All right, so he has zero idea what's going on. The guys there are, what did my friend Andrea say a few weeks ago to me? She's like, new Canadians, if you will. They live in a basement apartment. There's a bunch of different things that are an issue. I'll try to put clips what you know, how bad it is, but we'll see. We'll see. But yeah, some of the nonsense that could just come up, can't really plan for it. 7:30. I'm not really. I'm like kind of just chilling out. So I'm like, you know, I'm in between things to do, just chilling out. So I'm like, you know, I can go assess it, see what the problem is, and then send an invoice for me leaving at 7:30 on a Friday before I go out to, you know, go take a look and make sure nothing's flooded, or at least make sure it's on the right track. Because they don't have beds. These guys sleep on thermarests on top of the floor. So I don't want their whole place to be flooded. But if it's just a bit of water that came over and they're saying, oh my God, water's in the floor, some people panic if they're not sure what to do, which is, I get it, but I also don't get it. Appreciate it, guys. Subscribe, and I appreciate the support. Keep it up.